Hi guys, welcome to another segment of Roving Adventures post COVID-19 travel. Since COVID-19, as we all know, it has hampered traveling a lot and caused an economic turmoil. Airline was not able to fly a full flight, or they had to basically ground their planes and lay off at least up to 30% of their employees. Travel agency see a decrease. When I say a decrease in sales, because what happened? Nobody's traveling like myself. I can't wait to start traveling again. But at the moment, because of COVID, we have to be very careful. We have to put things in place before we can go ahead and do traveling. So as we continue this segment, I'm going to give some important recommendation, or should I say tips, for traveling. Yes, guys. So before you travel, go to the available website for current updates. You can check in the description box below. Always check with airlines for any updates for flight cancellation, for flight changes. And also, it's recommended to fill out any vital paperwork before you depart on your journey. Arrive at the airport at least 2 hours before departure for domestic flights, and for international flights, arrive at least 3 hours. Because remember, international flight gates close at least 1 hour before departure, domestic at least 30 to 40 minutes before departure, depending on the airline you're traveling on. So while you're at the airport, practice social distancing. I can't keep telling you that. That is very important. Practice social distancing. Sometimes it's going to be hard, especially when you're going through TSA, but it's best for us to do it. Keep on your mask. Keep on your shield. Have your wipes. Wipe down high surface things. Try to avoid touching unnecessary things. Your safety is very important. Listen for flight information. Listen for announcement, because with limited seats, plane can change their gates, and then guess what? You miss your flight. Then guess what? You will have additional charges you have to pay for no show and all those stuff. Okay? So while you're at the airport, let us go over the tips again. Travel with your wipes. We know that you can't carry the big container, but at least use a Ziploc bag and put some stuff in it so you can have that. Have a small TSA ounce, what is required, I think it's 3 ounce. Don't quote me, but I think it's 3 ounce. So that you will be able to go through TSA with that. Once you come through it, just wipe yourself down, sanitize yourself. If you're able, go to the bathroom, use soap and wash your hands. That is the best way to do it. If not, use your sanitizer. At least you're protecting yourself. While you're on your flight, you're going through the corridor or the aisle to find your seat. Before you sit down, wipe down your seat. Pull out your wipes out of your Ziploc bag, wipe down your seat. As well, I have something to share with you guys. There's a new thing going around, seat covers. You can purchase seat covers at www.seatcovers.com below. Below you see the website. Go check them out. Their prices are excellent. They're not expensive, like $14.95 or something. You get 2 disposable seat covers. You can put on the plane, sit on it. Try avoid using the restroom if you have to. If your flight is long, you have no choice. Use it, but again, wipe it down. Social distancing. Some airlines are providing masks, they're providing shield, they're providing sanitizer, most of the international flights. Okay? Okay, now you reach your destination. So you're not going to want to cake up in the hotel. You want to be out and about having fun. So not many attractions are open, but if you plan to visit, I stress to you, practice social distancing. That's the only thing I can tell you. Practice social distancing. Travel with your wife, travel with your sanitizer. Anywhere you need to sit down, just wipe it down before you sit. If you can avoid sitting, avoid sitting. So now it's time to eat. If you don't have to go to a restaurant, because most restaurant is not dining in, but if you have to, ask to sit outside. Have the fresh air. Don't be inside where you're cake up with a lot of people. If you get utensil, ask for a glass of hot water, a cup of hot water to sterilize your utensil before you use it. Once you do, you just wipe them down. And again, while you're at the restaurant, make sure that the employee or the server is wearing a mask. Check your surrounding to see how they are protecting their customer and how they're protecting their employees. Or order your food. Do takeout, do delivery. Again, I say, if you need to eat, ask for a cup of hot water to sterilize your utensil. Wipe down any seating you have to do before you sit, and just practice social distancing. You're the only one can protect yourself. Nobody can protect you. I'm protecting myself because I can't wait to go back out to travel. I can't wait because traveling is my medicine. Okay? So I'm asking you, practice social distancing. Let me know what you think about this video. It's my first video and I hope to share more with you in the coming days. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye! Thank you. Bless up.